Here is your math teacher Sanjeev Sikri. Today I'll take a topic from chapter Polynomials for standard 9, and my today's topic is zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. Students, you have discussed about the polynomials in our previous lecture. So today, zero of a polynomial. Before taking the questions, you must know what does this word zero of a polynomial mean. Zero of a polynomial is that value of the variable which vanishes the polynomial. अब vanishes the polynomial एक नया वर्ड है आपके लिए आई थिंक. vanishes the polynomial means suppose आपको एक polynomial given है say fx which is 2x plus 1. So zero of a polynomial means that value of the variable that is x which vanishes the polynomial means जिसको हम put करें और आंसर क्या बन जाए zero. That value of variable will be the zero of polynomial. I hope concept आपको समझ लग गया. फिर से सुन लें. Zero of a polynomial is that value of variable जो यहाँ पे x है which vanishes the polynomial means polynomial को खत्म कर दे. जब पुट करें तो आंसर जो आपके पास जीरो आ जाए. For example, I have written here the polynomial fx 2x plus 1. I need to check whether 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2 are the zeros of this polynomial or not. फिर से सुन लें. I have this polynomial. I need to check whether 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2 is a zero of this polynomial or not. So what I will be doing, I will be putting these values of x in this polynomial one by one. Put x is equal to 1 by 2. यहाँ put करते हैं. That means f of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by, replace x by 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 cancels and you will get 1 plus 1 which is 2, which is not equal to 0. As the polynomial doesn't vanishes, it means 1 by 2 is not a zero of fx. 1 by 2 is not a zero of fx. Now the other value 1 by 2. Put x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Let's put it here. F of minus 1 by 2. 2 multiplied by x and x is replaced by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 as it is. 2 and 2 cancel. You will get minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, students, 0. So you just see the polynomial vanishes. It means minus 1 by 2 is a zero of fx. So I think the concept is clear to you. How to check whether the given value of the variable is a zero of the polynomial or not. So let's take few more questions related to these. This is chapter 2 polynomials for standard 9, and students, I am taking the questions related to zero of a polynomial. Suppose you are given the polynomial 3x square minus 2x minus 1. 3x square minus 2x minus 1. I need to check whether 1 or 3 are the zeros of this polynomial or not. 1 or 3 are the zeros of this polynomial or not. Same method will be applying. Put x is equal to 1. That means f of 1 is equal to 3. X की जगह पे 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 2 and minus 1. 3 minus 2, 1 and minus 1. It will be 0. So you got the answer 0. Therefore, 1 is a zero of fx. So students, I hope आपको concept समझ आ गया how to check whether the given value of the variable is a zero of the polynomial or not. I advise you, take a copy and a pen with you. Solve these questions along with me. You'll get better. Now the second value is 3. Put x is equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to 3, x is replaced by 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 1. So 3 square 9, 9 3s 27, 2 into 3 6 minus 1. So 27 minus 6 21 minus 1, it will be 20, which is not equal to 0. That means 3 is not a 0 of fx. So this is the way, students, how you can check whether the given values of the x are the zeros of the polynomial or not. You must be careful. The polynomial can be linear, it can be quadratic, it can be cubic. Now the second part of these questions. Here we have discussed that if the values are given, you need to check that these are the zeros of the polynomial or not. The second part of the question is, you are given a polynomial. Suppose you are given say 3x minus 1. Let me make it easy. Let it be x plus 1. The polynomial is x plus 1. We need to find the zero of this polynomial. Zero of the polynomial means we need to find that value of x which vanishes the polynomial. जो यहाँ पे पुट करें और आंसर क्या आ जाए 0. तो यहाँ पे आप स्टूडेंट सोचें एक मिनट के लिए, क्या वैल्यू पुट करोगे कि आंसर 0 आ जाए, x की वैल्यू. If I put x is equal to 1, यहाँ पे 1 पुट करता हूँ, you'll get 1 plus 1 which is 2, not equal to 0. But if I take x as minus 1 plus 1, it will be equal to 0. So clearly if I take x minus 1, the answer will be 0. So हम लिख देंगे यहाँ पे here minus 1 is a 0 of fx. Let me take one more polynomial. Say fx is equal to the polynomial which I wrote earlier, 3x minus 1. Now think for a while that value of the polynomial which vanishes this polynomial. हाँ जी, x की वैल्यू पुट करनी है. Let me put it rough. If I put x is equal to 1, 3 into 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, it will be 2. If I take 1 by 2, 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1, it will be 3 by 2 minus 1, which is 1 by 2. But if I take x as 1 by 3, then you will get 0. You will get 0. That means here 1 by 3 is a 0 of fx. So students, this is how you can write the zeros of a polynomial. Now you must be thinking that for finding the zeros of a polynomial, you need to put the values of x again and again, and how many times you will be putting those values. So I'll just give you a method that will just ease this problem. You need to find the value 0 of this polynomial. आप रफ में क्या करें, इसी पॉलिनोमियल को जिसकी 0 फाइंड करनी है उसको इज इक्वल टू 0 लिख दें. लिसन अगेन, द पॉलिनोमियल whose zeros you need to find, रफ में उसी को इज इक्वल टू 0 लिख दें और वहां से x की वैल्यू निकाल लें. 1 शिफ्ट करेंगे इट विल बी पॉजिटिव, 3 शिफ्ट करेंगे इट विल बी 1 by 3. सो जस्ट सी 1 by 3 is the 0 of fx. After putting this polynomial is equal to 0 in rough, the value of x which you will get will be the 0 of that polynomial. So students, let me take another polynomial, say 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. Now think what will be the 0 of this polynomial. हाँ जी, are you thinking? Yeah, I think you might be getting the right answer. Let me solve it here. मैंने आपको कहा था इसको रफ में is equal to 0 कर दें. Minus 5 will go that side. Minus 5. 2 will divide. It will be minus 5 by 2. That means the 0 of this polynomial is minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of fx. So students, this is the way you can find the 0 of a linear polynomial here. Here just see, I have in all the 3 cases I have taken linear polynomials. Now suppose you are given a quadratic polynomial. Let me take a question when the polynomial given is quadratic. That means is of degree 2. Suppose you are given x square minus 3x plus 2. This is the given polynomial. You need to find the value of this polynomial. Again, we'll be putting the values of x, and those values of x which vanishes the polynomial will be the zeros of the polynomial. Here the number of zeros will be 2 because it's a quadratic polynomial. The number of zeros will be equal to 2. So putting the values of x again and again will follow an easy method. We'll be splitting its middle term. इसकी middle term split कर लो और इसको factorize कर लो, which you have I think done in your standard 8. So I'll split the middle term quickly because I hope that you know this method how to split the middle term. It is 2 and we need to break minus 3, which can be done by taking minus 2 and minus 1. minus 3 ब्रेक करेंगे minus 2 और minus 1 में. What is common? X. So you left with x minus 2. From here common minus 1. Inside it will be x minus 2. Again common x minus 2 and you left with x minus 1. Being a quadratic polynomial, we got 2 factors. तो यहां से zeros आएंगी. Therefore, zeros of fx are being quadratic. I told you it will have 2 zeros. तो कौन सी आएगी? यहां से कौन सी आएगी? x minus 1 is equal to 0 करेंगे तो 1, and from here it will be 2. So x minus 1 will give you 0 1, x minus 2 will give you 0 2. So student, this is how you can find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. I hope you got this concept, how to find the zeros of a polynomial and how to verify whether the given values of the variable are the zeros of the polynomial. Students, for the practice, try exercise 2.2 from NCERT book of standard 9